With all due respect to tradition, history, and the French, I think we need to reject tradition and embrace modernity, mostly because of the sheer volume that we as Americans have to deal with this time. So I offer a couple of very modest suggestions. One inspired by the movie Fargo. This is the industrialized version that can take an entire tree trunk and shred it. Now, all you have to do is make sure that you tilt it up at an angle. Imagine it going at a 45-degree angle. Shouldn't be very difficult. And get rid of those stabilizers because we're going to tilt it. And put a big chute on it and make it look like about the size of a phone booth. And make sure they go in feet first. Or if you want to make it take longer and make it something that would be appropriate for broadcast with pay-per-view functions, might I suggest humbly that we also not forget that there is such a thing as a car shredder. Now, a smaller version of this, a lot like the recycler in the video game Rust, would be nearly ideal, and because of the chewing function, would take a exquisitely long period of time and would provide, a very high value entertainment for those who wish to have revenge upon the monsters that rule us currently. Again, this is a modern version. I say we embrace modernity, especially for the sheer volume of being able to throw dozens of these monsters in. But if you want to do them one at a time, I suppose a small shredder would work. But this wonderful and very efficient French confection isn't really usable anymore, concerning, again, the sheer volume of the aristocracy this time around. Just a humble suggestion from yours truly, Waptek. Thank you.